Hey folks, welcome to Opals NZ. We did it. We hit 1,000 subscribers. Woo! So thanks to all of you guys for supporting the channel. And today we're going to be cutting the big knobby, as you guys voted to have this cut for the 1,000 subscriber epic cut video. And this is what we're doing today. So let's have another look at it. Yeah, so here is the beast. It's 65 carats, and there's some nice colour showing through there, which hopefully will go in further. You can see into the stone there, and there's it's not very bright, but you can see that that red does look like it takes on the black a little bit, at least there. So there's a lot of sand in this top, which could quite likely protrude through the color bar. The back has some beautifully black, jet black N1 potch, but it does have these suspicious looking lines running through, which could mean that the stone will, they may be natural cracks running through, so we'll have to deal with that. But first off, we'll just take it in a little bit on this spot here, and just a little bit in here. Everywhere else you can see the bar, so we'll just go straight in and take the cap off carefully. So let's do it. So I'll just go on the 600 wheel, and yeah, let's have a play. Got some colour coming through now. Okay, we'll just take this bit of sand off here. This here is looking interesting. That there looks good. See those cracks come right up through the colour there. They look like they might be naturally healed cracks. Yeah, I don't have too high hopes for this piece, to be honest, but never know, it could surprise us. Well, since that's the nicest looking colour, I'm going to start off taking the top off that side. Have colour there. It's not bad, but keep going down. There we can see what the stone's probably going to face like. So very much a mossy mossy stone. Going to go down a little bit and see what that red bar looks like. Down a bit further, closer to the black. So I just did a little tester on this edge. It does get a bit better. So there's interesting. I almost want to carve this really. It's like you can see these flowing kind of lines. It's like the opal sort of flowed out this way. Oh, look at that. Just there. See some nicer colour. Might be something nicer under here. Very thin though. It's getting very thin here, but it's pretty much clean. I think I better stop there as well. It's got quite a nice sort of feather pattern actually. I think I'll be able to get my money back on the stone, but it's not going to cut it anything too amazing. Well, yet at least. Things could change, hopefully, for the better. go. Look at that. I just pushed there a little bit. They're very thin though. Oh yeah. Colour there's just in there's getting nicer as well. Well, the centre's starting to clean up too. Unreal. I didn't think it would clean up this well. Far out. The colour's about what I thought it would be. But yeah, I didn't think, I thought it'd be full of sand, but it's not. It's quite a surprise. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool actually. It's crazy how well it's cleaned up. You can actually make one big stone, make a big picture stone out of it. That there, trying to get this bit of potch here out, but I'm losing the colour just here where that really nice colour is, because I reckon that'll come off as well. I mean, if I cut that into a stone, I could cut that into a big oval. Just leave the imperfections in it, as long as it's not cracked. That'd make a pretty cool necklace. All right, we'll let it dry out. I let it dry out, and these cracks here is visible on the top, but it's a healed crack. Now, I don't fully trust that. I think it's a healed crack, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shape it into a circle, or sorry, an oval. So we're at 44 carats. 44 carats like that, so it's going to be a huge piece. So yeah, I'm just going to shape it and polish it like that. So let's do it. So there we have it, folks, an absolute whopper. Beautiful picture stone. I'm just going to keep this one as a specie. Now you could definitely set that though. It's not super easy settable stone, but it's not too bad. I took quite a bit off the back. But yeah, it's not super even. It's kind of got a bit of a buckled dome. It's getting really thin down here where some of the nicer colour was. You can see I've lost a bit of colour there. But yeah, what a whopper. What an absolute whopper. It's got some pretty nice colour too. Still got that imperfection, I couldn't quite get that out. Let's see what it weighs. 33 carats. So that is massive. It's got nice colour, but obviously it's got a lot of flaws and quite a lot of inclusions, and it's a bit of a rustic piece. Yeah, so that's it. That's the epic Nobby. Nicer colour than I was expecting. So I'm pretty happy actually. It's a bit of a chameleon too. It sort of changes colour. Looks real sort of pink from that angle. Then more green from here. And then blue. So make a very cool necklace. So yeah, let me know, what do you think this is worth? What would you pay for that? And also, what would you do differently? Would you cut it up? Who knows? Maybe one day I'll cut it up into smaller stones. Oh, sacrilege. So yeah, thanks to everyone for subscribing. It was awesome. We reached 1,000. Yeah, next up we'll have to figure out a giveaway to celebrate the 1,000 subscribers. Haven't figured that out yet, but keep your eyes peeled. We'll have something for you, some little competition. So thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time.